In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can share a Spotify playlist on Snapchat. Okay, so once you've launched up Spotify, you want to go to a playlist. I'll select this one right here, your top songs 2020. And you can see three vertical dots at the top right of the screen. If you go ahead and tap on that, you will see a share button. Go ahead and tap on the share button and you can see the top result there is Snapchat. Go ahead and tap on Snapchat. It's going to go ahead and launch up Snapchat if you have the app installed on your phone, which you would need to do to make this work. And you can see the playlist is now loaded up in a snap, and then you can just go ahead and tap on the blue send button and you can add it to your story, you can add it to our story, or you can send it to your friends. So that is how you share a Spotify playlist on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.